The Hotchkiss Brain Institute carries the name and legacy of a tremendous businessman, community leader, philanthropist, and my friend, Harley Hotchkiss. Harley and I became friends through our love of hockey and cemented our relationship through our contributions to healthcare in our respective provinces. We both shared a particular interest in the neurosciences. Today, over 3.6 million Canadians are impacted by neurological diseases. It gives me great pleasure that the Hotchkiss Brain Institute will be joining the Tanenbaum Open Science Institute and the Neuro in adopting open science principles.
Open science is a philosophy, a kind of strategy which advances science much more rapidly by having people think about working together, collaborating, sharing data in an open and transparent fashion. The support of Larry Tanenbaum and TOSI, I think, is important on a couple different levels. It provides that intangible, that network of like-minded scientists who are willing to come together actively to work in an open and transparent fashion under the framework of open science. That's incredibly valuable.
It started with frustration here from people at the Neuro of the slowness of discovery of new treatments for patients with different neurological diseases. We came to the conclusion that the way to accelerate was to break down barriers to collaboration. I think that the partnership with HBI has many upsides, and so first of all, it means that we're no longer alone as an open science institution. We have a partner. We could have many other Canadian institutions, like, for example, the Hotchkiss. Then, it would really be like a shining light in the world, and it would be to convince the rest of the world to do the same.
At the University of Calgary, we have, I think we've established a really strong record of sharing information across disciplines to solve important problems. The history of scientific research shows that when we share evidence, when we share information among scholars, that the health solutions that we arrive at are better and more applicable. Larry, this friendship among titans is just so important for the University of Calgary. Thank you for leading a major change in the way in which scholars will interact around the world.
Together, the Hotchkiss and the Neuro hold the greatest promise for generating the diagnostic tools, treatments, and cures needed to end the suffering caused by neurological disorders. Knowing that the Hotchkiss, the Neuro, and many of our leading neurological institutes across Canada are now taking the lead in adopting the open science platform makes me hopeful and immensely proud.